recording this session, Sandeep. Fine. So, what we discussed last weeks. So we started. We already discussed our enterprise structure settings in that the company code, all the basic stuff of enterprise structures, right? And we started discuss. We already discussed on master data as well. We also understood the GL account balances, reports, and so on. Any questions till here, Sandeep? You have any questions on this one? GL master data and the GL master data transaction data and also reports. And before that, we have configured all the required configuration settings for posting the transactions. Have you seen any? Do you have any questions on this enterprise structure settings and master data, GL master data?
No, sir.
Is that clear, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so let us proceed with some other topics of GL. So specific ledger posting. So if you look at here, what is our company code?
TA 48.
Okay, TA48, right? So FB03 FB03 transaction, this transaction is display document where we can see the documents. So I'm giving 2025. Let me execute. So it will give you all the documents which were created under Swiss financial year 2025. So we created two documents. We posted two documents. So here what happens is whenever you post any transaction in SAP, system will update in all the ledgers. If you look at here GL view, you can see 0L and other ledger also CN4. Okay, whatever the ledgers has been created for this company code will get posted, will get updated in all the ledgers whenever you post any transactions in SAP. Okay, now you may get a requirement from the business. The business says, I want to post only to specific ledger, to the specific accounting principle. Accounting principle is nothing but ledger. So SAP has provided that option to post entry direct to the specific accounting principle. I don't want to update in 0L. I want to post it in N4, or you want to post it 0L but not in N4, vice versa. So we have one transaction code called slash O. Let me open another session. So here accounting, financial accounting, general ledger. Here you can see document entry. Under document entry, we have this option is there. See here, enter GL account document. Earlier we used FB50. Here itself it is mentioned FB50L. L is nothing but ledger specific transaction posting. FB50L, enter GL account document for ledger group. So double click here. So similar document only. There is no difference. The only difference is you have to enter ledger group specific. Okay, let me change this company code to TA48, our legal entity, TA48. Continue. Here you can mention some description. I can mention specific ledger posting. Specific ledger posting. This is important. If you're trying to post any specific ledger group for a specific ledger, then you have to mention, you have to specify that ledger for posting. So here it's showing many are here, but ours is 0L and one more. What is another one? What is another ledger? N4, right? TA48. So TA48. Here I can mention, I can post it. Yep, 1000 cash and yeah, you can make it 1001 as no worries. See here, posting. So why this is saying 9 2025? Sandeep, can you tell me what is this error?
Uh,
Just
this is for we are posting in the December month, right? It,
exactly. So ninth period is December, right? April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Okay. So ninth period comes, December is nothing but ninth period. If you count it from April to December. So ninth period is not open because you remember, I mean, I think it was in the previous month, right? We had a class last time. Now we are having in the current month, December period. Okay, today is 6th, right? So that's the reason. System is expecting that December period needs to be opened. So what is the T code? Slash OOB52. Our C is TA48. Continue. So TA48. See, if you now we are trying to post which account type we are trying to post? S GL account related. See, GL account related. S is GL account. Plus is valid for all account types. So what you should do, plus and S, you should make sure that you have ninth period also here. Ninth period. Because December is ninth period. Ninth period. If you keep eight to nine, what happens? So system will allow you to post in previous period also. Eighth is nothing but November period. If I make
Okay.
this 8 to 9, then I can post a transaction in November period and December period. November period and December period. If you put only 9, then you can it will allow only the ninth period only.
Okay. We can also put first to eight like that.
Yeah, you can post it. Yeah, if you want to post transactions in the previous months, update it 1 to 12. So if you want to keep for the entire year, you can put it as 1 to 12.
Okay.
But usually, but usually in the real time, what happens is Sandeep, they will open only one or two periods. That's it. During month end, they'll
Okay.
open for two periods, but normal period they'll open only 1 month.
Okay.
Tata 48, right? Continue. So this is what we have done now. So now system will allow you to post a transaction both in the both periods, not only current period. I don't know why this is coming. Someone is trying to open or what? Huh. So press enter. See here. One more thing. If you're trying, see earlier this error we did not face this error because if you're trying, so if you're posting in one ledger, system will update in all the ledgers. Okay, basically. No, not one ledger, normal posting, not ledger specific posting. Okay, but if you're trying to post to specific ledger, system will ask you to maintain one document type for essay document. We are using essay document type, right? System is expecting number range for essay document type for N for ledger group. Okay, so for now, what we should do, this combination essay document type combination and N for combination, we need to define one number range. Okay, go to the configuration /o spro financial accounting global settings document number ranges. Here it is there. See, document types in a ledger, document types in a ledger, N4. I want it here. You have it, sir. Here itself, document types. So document types in a ledger. I need to mention first what is the number range, the two character word, that two character number. Okay, new entries. Give some number, odd number, 80. Now I want to define. Okay, sorry. This is a document type. So what I will do, SCA. You are posting essay document type related transaction. So for essay, I want to give 80, 80 number range for this N4. Okay, essay document type. This three combination: ledger, document type, and number range. Now I have to maintain the number range now with 80. Here I'm defining it. Now in the next transaction, what I will do, define number ranges. I'll define the number range. Go to the number range. TA48, go to the change intervals. This one you already know it. We posted two transactions from the essay document type, right? Which is 01 number range. Now we are defining one more number range for specific document type, for specific posting for the ledger. So what is the number range we defined? 80, 2025. Number, you can give 101, the next number, 101 to 200. I want to give for 100 numbers. So click on save. So when I post to specific ledger, system will pick from this number range 80. So now what it will now system will post with 101 document number. So where is our posting? Here. Now press enter. No amount tolerance range entered for a company code TA48. Someone has changed the settings. We'll go to the TA48 configuration, SPRO, IMG, global settings. Sorry. number range, right? Sorry, tolerance group is the issue. Where is the financial accounting, GL accounting, business transactions, open item clearing, clearing differences. This is the where we define tolerances. Let me check what we defined for. Okay, before that, check what is the user is assigned to this tolerance group. Okay, so what is our user? Our user is king. Okay, so for king, someone has entered. Yeah, for king, we have BI0. For time being, I'll just delete this one. Click on save. Someone has assigned bio. I'm removing that one. Now go back to your transaction. Press enter. No errors for this item. Press enter. Ha. Now that error has been disappeared. Simulate. Press enter. Ha. What is the mistake we have done? Debit and credit. The very important one. We did not enter any value at all. 100. Press enter. System still this is giving. I think I need to cancel this transaction. Let us try to post once again specific ledger transaction. I'll give this one, give some description. Here you can give some value, debit and credit. So you can give some value here. We'll see system is asking something. Then now I'm not facing any errors. Click on simulate. I'm trying to post to N4. So now I'm trying to post to the N4 ledger group, specific ledger, header text, and reference document, specific ledger. This is what I'm trying to post the document. Post. Correct the customizing settings for the ledgers and someone has created, what do you say, sir? Maybe new ledger has been created, which is not relevant for our company code. This is taking time. Hmm. Oh my God. These many ledgers were created, huh? No, 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 no. Someone has changed the settings, sir. CT30. Current setup 30. Okay. So here someone has done some changes. What I'll do, slash O S double C4 is the client level currency. Someone might change the client level currency. That's the problem. See, 100. This 100 someone has changed INR. This should be USD. Okay, edit. Actually, this is a table, cross client table. I mean, basically, this no one should touch. I don't know why people are touching it. Save. Okay, come back. Now go back to the configuration. Simulate. Click on post. Now we'll try. We'll see. Yep. Sir, you can see now. Document 101 was posted. 101. It came from which number range, sir? It came from 80 number range. Where we created 80 number range? See here, 80. Because we created number range separate for specific ledger posting. If you're trying to post with only 0 or only N4, then system will pick the number range from 80. Or else if you're posting normal transaction, then it will consider this number range. But this number range, it will update in all the ledgers. This is only specific ledger posting. This is updating in all the ledgers. So that is all about specific ledger posting. But what are the errors we had seen, sir? Tell me. While posting specific ledger transaction, we had seen multiple errors. What are the errors we had seen? Tell me, sir. What is the first error?
First error is
Posting period is not open.
uh,
What is the second error?
number range. Number range.
Number range is required for specific ledger posting, right?
Yeah.
And what is the third error? Tolerance. Someone has created some tolerance limits. Tolerance
mm.
range error, tolerance group error, tolerance group. I'll explain you, sir, why this is asking. Okay, we have
Oh,
scenario tolerance group error. Okay, for this, what I have done, I have just removed some group, removed. I have removed TG. I mean tolerance group, which is mentioned as bio to my user ID. Our user ID is King. For King ID, what happened? Someone has assigned to bio, which is not relevant to our company code. I have deleted it. Okay. Fourth one, I had seen one error related to the someone has changed client level settings. Client
instead of
level settings. Instead of instead
INR,
of
instead of USD,
USD,
uh,
some
INR rate.
changed to INR. Okay. This is what we have done. What is the fifth? Okay, I think these are the four errors, right? What we had seen now. Is that clear? Any error that we had
Yes.
seen in between? No, right?
No,
Okay, good. Now we'll come back to our configuration sheet. So now we have seen this scenario. We'll come back to the another scenario, document and line item field changes. So it is mentioned clearly, document and line item field changes. For example, if you look at here, take, okay, let me close all the screens. Someone has opened many screens here. Okay, now you can see. So this is your first document, right? This is your first document. We posted first document. If you try to click on change mode, okay, double click here. We are in the display mode only. So I'm not able to change anything. So when you go back and click on change mode, now I can enter certain fields here, text and assignment. Now other fields I cannot change. So SAP has provided certain fields where we can change the values. So I can change this, or I can change this one, right? But if you want, if business says that no, I don't want, user should not get allowed to change this field, user should not allow, I mean basically user should not be able to change this field. In that case, we have this option, we can control the change option via document control. Okay, financial accounting, um, global settings, document, and here we have rules for changing documents. I'll repeat it once again. So the financial accounting, global settings, document, under document, rules for changing documents. So we can change the rules. Okay, this is header level, this is line item level. Let us discuss at the line item level. So SAP has provided fields. Okay, now for example, what is this field? What is this field? Text field. If you want to know what is the technical name for this text field, select your keyboard function F1. F1. So when you click on F1, system will give you some technical information. So here, see here, this screen, you can click on technical information. So system gives this table belongs to BSEC, this field belongs to BSEC, and the technical field name is SGTXT. Okay, remember SGTXT. Now go back to the configuration. Where is that one? Here itself. Okay, now go to the, so SAP already created. So what is the account type? We are discussing on the GL account part. So S, right? I want to see for S. See S, it is there. So S, this is a field. Control C. So we are discussing. It's there here. Yes. Double click here. So now you can see field can be changed. That's the reason we are able to change the field. If I remove this one, click on save. Now I can't change the field. So now I'm not giving a user option to change the field. So come back and see what happens. Come back. Now try to click on change mode. Click on cache account. Now I can see text field. This text field I'm not able to change. But assignment field is able to change. Now you check for the assignment field also. What is the assignment field? Assignment field is this one. Technical name is ZUONR. See, double click here. So field can be changed. If I remove this one, what happens? Now that field also can be changed. Refresh your transaction once. Double click on cache. Now click on change. We are in the change mode only. So both assignment field, text field, we are not able to change the values because in the configuration we controlled, we have not activated this field. Field can be changed. If you are activating field can be changed, then user will get option to change the fields. I mean basically to change the values in the fields. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, if I activate, what happens? For the assignment field, I want to activate it. Now you will have option. Now user will have option to change the assignment field. Come back and click on change mode again, cache. Now see, assignment field is able to change the value. So what I meant to say is at the document level, this both line items, both line item level, we can control the fields by using this option. This option, rules for changing documents. One is this is at the document level and this is at the header level. Now we'll see the header level also. So you can see here reference header text field. Now what I'll do, click on this first one bktxt. Okay, go back to the document, come back, click on this header data field. Now header data, you have an option to change the text field. Okay, go to the here, come back here. So reference field, see here reference text field is nothing but sorry this field. What do you say? Reference field. Reference field is in modifiable mode now, changeable mode. So here that's the reason it is, it's a change. Someone has activated, field can be changed. That's the reason you're able to change the field. Now I remove this one, click on save, continue. Refresh your transaction once here because we are on the same transaction, right? Now double click here, click on header level. See, now I'm not able to change the this field. Do it once again, make it modifiable once again. Field can be changed. Click on save, refresh your transaction once, back, click on one again. Now click on header. Now reference field is not showing. Huh? You have saved it, right? Okay, come back and refresh it once. Double click. Reference field is not in changeable mode. Why? This is we already selected right here. Field can be changed. We have only one here. This is a little surprising. Okay, what we'll do? We'll try to will it should work basically. I'm giving our company code also TA48. Click on save. Click on save. And with this is mentioned for all the document types, all the account types, not specific account type. Now reference field for this company code reference should be in the modifiable stage. What I'll do, number one, right? Go back, execute it once again, enter. Now click on the first document, click on here. Ha, yes, we are not putting in the change mode and not selecting the field. Yep, I did some small mistake here. I'm just double clicking on the header, but I'm not keeping the change mode. You have this change mode, right, sir? Change mode. First click on change mode, then you can see for the document header. We are in the display mode. Click on change mode, then click on header level. Now you can see the field is in changeable mode. So this one not required basically. I mean basically it is if you are keeping this field company code field is blank, what does it mean? It is applicable for all company codes, all legal entities. If you are specifying for one company code, then this is applicable, this logic is applicable only for that particular company code. But this is already there here. I'll delete this one. So um, I did one mistake that I did not click on change mode. See for this one also, display mode, click on change mode, then go for the header, then you can see the reference field as changeable mode. Sir, is that clear? Both at the line item level and at the document level. You have an option to change the values in the fields. Any questions, sir?
No.
It is very pretty simple. It's a user while posting the transactions, they need it, right? Which field they want to modify. Go back to the our configuration tracker. Now, very interesting scenario. Exchange rate configuration settings. Now, exchange rate configuration settings. Okay. So what we'll do, we'll go to the configuration. There are few configuration settings related to the exchange. What is the value, sir? Do you know what is the value for USD now? What is 1 USD is equal to how much INR?
Some 82, it shows in system 82 point something.
Ha, ABAP.
80.
Ha. So under ABAP platform, you can see here under ABAP platform, under you can see the under that we can see general settings. Under general settings, you can see currencies. Under currencies, now SAP has provided different settings here. Okay, we'll take important settings, which is very important, where you are going to post the transactions and see whether it's getting updated as per the exchange rate maintained in the system. So this is the first one, which is very important one. But before that, you can see check currency codes. So SAP has given all the currencies here. Okay, and decimal. This is the transaction where you set the decimal places for the currencies. See here decimals, and you can ignore the other transactions. Check exchange rate type. This is important. Where SAP is provided, SAP provided there are three exchange rate types. One is G. G is nothing but standard translation at bank buying rate. Standard translation at bank buying rate. So for example, you have something around 85 rupees with you. Okay, so you go to the bank and you will do, you will buy dollar. You're purchasing foreign exchange by giving 85 rupees. So they will give you $1, including some commission and so on. That is nothing but bank buying rate, G exchange rate type. And another one is M, standard translation average rate. Okay, it's an average rate between buying and selling. So one more rate is called B, bank selling rate. So bank selling rate. So you have dollars with you and you want to sell it to the bank and you want to take money INR. Okay. So for that also system, um, I mean from the bank perspective, they will sell the dollars as well. You maintain the exchange rates for the respective exchange rate types. So these are the three standard exchange rate types. So what we'll do usually is okay. One more very important point is go to the M rate. This is very important. Standard translation average in SAP by default, all the transactions are converted based on M exchange rate type. So we maintain the rates for the M exchange rate type. So system will automatically consider M rate. Okay. So these exchange rates which are already exist in the system, so no need to do any changes in this configuration. Now you can see translation ratios. Now we have to tell to the system translation ratios. This is another important setting. You have to tell EUR is equal to USD from which date it is valid and what is the ratio 1 is to 1 or 1 is to 10 or 10 is to 1. Okay. Now what I will do. So here position M. If it is already maintained, we can ignore USD INR. So from USD to INR for 1 USD is equal to how much NAR, and this should get validated from which date. It is already maintained USD INR 5/12/2025. So someone has maintained yesterday this date. Okay, now go back, check for the other reversal combination also like INR to USD M and INR to USD as well. Yes, it's there. Okay, It's already there. Come back. Now maintain the exchange rates here. What I'll do, I'll maintain the rates, position, M exchange rate, which is where standard will derive the rates from this M exchange rate type. Currency is USD, USD to INR. Okay, okay. Here this here you can see the value for one on the from 20th November. Value for 1 USD is 80. So what I'll do, I'll just copy this one. Valid from it is in the configuration we have maintained from fifth, right? I'll pick it from fifth, and 1 USD is equal to 85 rupees or 80. I think today it reached to 90. I think, right? Yesterday I heard that it reached to 90 rupees. Okay, 90 INR. $1 is equal to 90 INR. Click on copy. Okay, click on save. Fine. Now we'll try to post one document. New window FB50, or else you can go with the path accounting, financial accounting, general ledger, document entry, FB50. Here details, exchange rate is there here, not required. Hmm. Now what I'll do, I'll post one transaction with USD. I'm posting foreign currency document, sir. I'm posting foreign currency document. Test, FC test. FC is foreign currency test. Test, FC. Now I'll post one document. For better understanding, for easy understanding, I'll give $1, 1 USD, because I'm posting the transaction in $1, okay, in USD currency. So I'm giving $1. So how much it will get updated, sir, in the local currency? Local currency is INR. How much it should get updated in the document, Sandeep?
90.
Exactly.
90.
So because we maintain 90 rupees in the table, in the exchange rate table. So press enter. I don't see any errors. Click on simulate. So you can see now, as of now, it is showing document currency is USD. We are posting in foreign currency USD. And if you double click here, so you can see here, when I double click on the line item, it has updated very clearly. 1 rupee is equal to 90 INR. This is very clear. Come back, click on post, document, display. See here, click on this one, header data. In the header also it is mentioned very clearly USD to INR. The combination we maintained is 90 rupees in the table, in the exchange rate table, 90 rupees. Now I can override this 90 also while posting the transaction. In the table it is maintained 90, but I can change the value. I think you have observed, right? In the details tab, it is mentioned exchange rate here also. I want to make it to 92 here. Now come back to basic data. Now what I will do, again this is a FC test. We'll try to give $1 only here. Here also $1. But while posting the transaction, I'm changing the exchange rate value. Okay. This is, oh my God, this is completely becoming bold. But exchange rate is in a bold mode. Who has done some changes here? Let me check here. Exchange rate from first line item. This is a different thing. Come back. So someone has changed some settings here, sir. Anyhow, we updated as 92. I don't think it will consider now. The new options has been active. That is fine. Click on simulate. Now double click on the cache. No. Okay, sorry. Because we have not We are trying to post in INR. We have to update in USD, right, sir? We have not updated this one. We have not changed, right? We are trying to post in USD. Cancel it.
Yes.
So we are doing something wrong. So what I'll do, I'll put it to USD here first. Then I'll go back to the USD, go back to T details, and this one instead of 90, I want to change it to 92 and come back basic data. I'm overwriting the value. See, I'm overwriting the value. See, it is mentioned. It is clearly saying that exchange rate 92 deviates from the table. In the table we maintain 90, and now we are trying to post with 92. It's a deviating from the table by 2.22%. The difference is 2.22%. Okay, this is very good message, and it is prompting the message. It is giving information. what is the what is the rate you maintain in the table, and what is the rate that you are trying to put the transaction. Basic data, come to the basic data, press enter first. Okay, and come back to the GL account. We'll see now what happens. Go back again, debit and credit, and give here $1 and $1. So as per one, I mean as per the details maintained here, it should get 92. Go to the simulate, double click on cash account. Now it's updating 92. This is correct. Come back and post the document. Document and display. This is fine. Click over here. This is fine. And the header date also you can see 92, 92 rupees. It is overwriting from the table. Sir, is that clear? How the exchange rates are deriving?
Yes, sir.
And one more thing, and another important functionality. So we are posting to this document type, right? We can maintain exchange rate type in the document type also. Slash O OB A7. We are posting SA document type. OBA7 it is. OBA7. So go to the position, SA document type, which is GL postings. Double click here. So document type is SA. Here you can see this one. See default value exchange rate type for FC document, foreign currency documents. If you're see by default it will pick M only. Okay, by default if you don't mention anywhere it will pick M. In case if you want to derive the rate from exchange rate G, then you have to if the requirement if the client requirement says that for this document type the exchange rate should pick from the another exchange rate type G. In that case, what you will do for this document type, you will maintain here G. So system will pick the rate from this table, G related exchange rate type. So from that exchange rate type, the rate will be picked for postings. So usually the standard is M, always M. Okay, I'm not changing anything here. If you want to try, you can try this one option, but you have to maintain in the table and in the configuration also. Okay. Any questions, sir? Do you see any questions on this one?
No, sir.
But you understood, right? Concept.
Yes.
Understanding concept is very important. So what we had seen, check exchange rate types. We had seen GBM. Always system will pick the standard M only. Okay. But you have option creating other exchange rate types also. Define translation ratios. You have to specify the system. You can change exchange rate while posting the transaction. So priority is from the posting level. Of course, we can change the exchange rate while posting the transaction. But this configuration also important where we have to mention one USD. I mean, basically you have to mention the ratio. One USD is equal to 90 INR. So somewhere we have to maintain the ratio, right? 1:1 or 1:10. Exchange rates, of course, you can use F-02 or you can use FB50, whatever we used now, the transaction for posting. So where is F-02 is here only, sir. It's a by using that a transaction also we can post the transactions. Here it is there. General posting. So general posting system will ask you to enter posting keys, debit, credit. But FB50 it will not ask you. But we'll see. So for other scenarios will use this transaction as well. So but now you understood, right, sir? Exchange rates.
Yes, sir.
Yep. So what we'll do? Uh, we'll come back and we'll continue with park and post and recurring documents. Okay. So give me some little time, 10 minutes, and come back again. I'll just I'll It's working now. So park document is a incomplete information, and later we'll post the document. This is usually done by the next level person. If you are creating workflows. So manual, if you try it manually, you have this option. See, edit or park GL document, park GL document for a ledger group, general document parking. So you can use this transaction if it has 65, or you can use the same transaction FB50 also. I think we have option. See, park option is there. So try to post one document from here itself. Park. Okay, give some value. Press enter. I can see 100 debited credited. I'm using park option. Click on simulate. You can see the park. So click on park here. Park option. So document 5 TA48 was parked. It is not posted, sir. The park document will not get updated in the accounts. Temporary parking it is. Now if you want to post fifth document, what you should do? Go to the, you can see here. Okay, before posting the park document, we have a report, right? You can see the report slash NFBL 3N. 3N is nothing but FBL 3N report. What is able 3N? GL line item display. So what I'll do, I'll take company code. Where is the company code? Okay, now press continue. I can see bank, all items, execute it. See, the fifth one, it is not showing here. What you should do, if you scroll down, you can see this option is there, parked items. Remove this one, click on parked items, execute it. I can see only parked items now. Fifth document is there. See, fifth document is a parked document. It is mentioned clearly, it is a parked document. If you double click here, it will take you to the document level. Okay. Now, if you want to confirm this document, what we should do? Go to the another transaction, financial accounting, GL accounting, document entry. So here reference documents, not reference document. Here itself you have this one. Um, Here it's there. FE50. Its post here is there. Okay. Here it's there. Here we used this document entry for, I mean, normal, in the normal transaction I've used it. I parked the document. Now I want to post the document. Under document you can see park documents. Click this one. Here you can see change, display and everything, you have it here. Click on this one, post and delete. FBV0. An option present. So this is your company code, and we entered one park document which is fifth document number. Press enter. Now you can see the fifth park document. Again, you can change some. You can see, as I mentioned, right? Park document is incomplete information. So initially you might have entered some incomplete details. So you can correct the details now. You can change the date. You can change descriptions, or you can change the value and so on. Everything can be changed now. Okay, but few fields cannot be changed. So here now either you can save the park document or you can post the document now. You can confirm the document here. Click on post. Now fifth document has been posted. It will get updated in the books of accounts. Now this, so I am selecting park document. Now you will not see any park document because we already confirmed the document. Click on, so select normal items. Click on execute. So all these documents are normal documents now. Even you can see the fifth document is posted the document. Fine, sir. So basically park document is, it's incomplete information parked by the user. So once he or she gets the complete information, they'll post the document later. That's it. Sir, any question?
No, sir.
because you have an options. Either you can use many transactions. SAP has provided you provided like many transactions, or you can use
Generally,
uh,
sorry, generally in which scenarios we used to park, like as you said, for amount changing and date changing like that.
normally, sir, daily you will do some voucher entries, right? In real time. Not you. Basically, end users will use the they will do some postings, right, sir, daily by seeing vouchers. Sometimes what happens, they may have some insufficient information. So what they will do, they'll park the document. Later, once it is confirmed, they'll post the document. That's it.
Okay, for
You have some partial information with you, sir. That's it. I mean, basically, an end user will have some partial information. Based on the partial information, they will park the document.
for
Or
electronic payment wise
mm,
also we
no,
used to park.
no, sir, no. Don't go to the electronic bank statement now. Okay. So usually in the real time, what I had seen my experience is, so they will use workflows, sir. Workflows. Only for workflows, they use park and post. What is workflow? As I mentioned, right? So these workflows are developed by the programmers, ABAPers.
Okay,
So one person will park and one person will post.
okay,
Okay? When say for example, I am the accountant. You are my manager. Okay? As an accountant, I'll park the document. It will trigger to your inboxes, sir. You will get one email saying that Pramod has parked one document. Approve, you want to approve or reject it. You will have two options, approve and reject it. If you reject, again it will come back to my inbox. If you are approving it, then it will get posted automatically. That process flow, that automatically, and mail triggering, and the information, that everything will be done by the programmers by using workflow functionality. In
okay,
the real time, they will use park and post by developing workflows.
okay,
So assistant accountant will park the document, accountant will post the document by approving it. That's it.
okay,
Very what do you say? Very rare scenarios, sir. These are like normal transactions only. Okay, you can park by using this one also. We had seen that option. You can see here also. You can see that option. Here also you can see that option. Many are there. Okay, you can use any option. You can try different transactions if you want. But parking should be done from here, and for posting the parking document, you have to use this one. Under document, park documents, under park documents, you have to use FBV0. Either you can delete it, or you can post it, or you can change it, or display it. You have many options. You can try once.
okay,
It takes hardly 1 second, 2 seconds, sir. That's it.
okay,
Okay, but this is not the major scenario. We are learning now. It's a very good. I mean, what do you say? The recurring documents. It is important that you should know recurring documents. What is recurring documents, sir? What is recurring document? By the name it is mentioned, right? In the name itself it is mentioned recurring. So every time. So
okay,
there might be some expenses. For example, rent. You are paying rent every month, which comes at least 12 times in a year, right, sir? Which is a recurring entry, recurring posting. Do you agree? Even salaries also, it's a recurring posting. Every month, the company has to pay salaries to all the employees. It's a recurring posting. Insurance premium. If you are paying a premium every month, it's a recurring posting to the insurance companies. Okay. So such expenses, such are called like recurring expenses. Such expenses are called as recurring expenses. So what I will do, I will create one reference document, one normal reference document, not actual document. Reference document as a recurring document. Recurring document is a reference document. I will create one recurring document. Then what happens? I will execute one program. Every month I will execute one program. So system automatically will I mean system automatically will post the actual document. Okay. Recurring is reference document. Actual document it will get posted when I run the program. So we'll see now. So what I'll do, I'll create one. You can see the description what I mentioned. Recurring documents are used as a reference to post the documents which are in repetitive in nature, rent, salaries, etc. Make sense? This is only definition I had given here. Now let us go ahead and create it one recurring document and see how it is. So what is the T code? So instead of going the T code, I'll show you the path itself. GL and periodic processing. Under periodic processing, you can see recurring entries. Under recurring entries, you have execute and list. Okay, not this one. Uh, document entry. Under reference documents, you can see recurring document area. FBD1, recurring document. Here you can have this one company code TA48. You are creating recurring document. This is not actual document, sir. Recurring reference document. First run. So just imagine from April 2025 to 31st March 2025. So when you will run this program, I mean, when you want to, I mean, you have to specify what will be the when will be the first run and when will be the last run. So I'm just giving these two. I mean, complete year. Okay. Interval ones. Yep. Obviously. So how frequently you want to execute this program per month? Okay. Don't give any all these values. Just keep it blank. Don't do any changes. Document type, yes, I want to execute it for SA document type because we are testing SA only, right? We have number range also only for SA. Currency rate also, if you want, you can maintain. If you are posting the transaction in USD, you have to maintain the rate as well. Or system will pick from the M exchange rate type. So I want to, this is recurring test. Okay, recurring test. So now posting key. SAP has provided different posting keys, sir. For example, if you take 40 and 50, so you are debiting the 40 and 50 is crediting the GL account. Debiting entry and crediting entry. So if you see some other transactions, so this is C is nothing but customer related transactions, outgoing payment or receivables. Okay, and you can see V is nothing but vendor related transactions, vendor related posting keys. And you can see G also. G is nothing but GL account. A is nothing but asset accounting. Asset. So if you're trying to post asset transactions, always you will select 7075. If you're trying to post supplier, then you will select respective posting key. Now what I'll do, I'll post normal GL account, debit GL account, credit GL account. So I'll use 40 and 50. 40 is my GL account. So we already have one GL account, right? 1000. I'm just taking an example, sir. This is not the actual scenario. Okay, just taking an example. 1000. Posting period is one month. It's very important. So when you try, so our period is already closed, right, sir? First run and 1/4. 1/4 is open? No, we have opened only for the November period and December period. Now we have to open the periods. Slash O OB52 is the transaction where you open the periods. TA48 is your posting period variant, and you have to, what I'll do, I'll put it from 1 to 9. Here also 1 to 9. Execute it, save it. We'll see 10, 11, 12 also it will ask or not. We'll see. Okay, press enter. So system is running in the, see, first run is in the past because today is December 12th, but you want to execute for the first April period also. Press enter. In company code TA48, the number in X1 is missing for the year. X1 is nothing but recurring document. X1 is nothing but recurring document. So system is expecting one number range for recurring document. So slash O FBN1 TA48 display, sorry, change intervals. What I'll do, I'll put it as X1 here, X1 and 2025, and here I'll give some 201 to 300. So what does it mean? I can create 100 recurring documents. Click on save, continue. So 201 to 300. We'll see what happens now. So 201, this one. Press enter. Now I'm entering recurring document. So every month, what is the plan? What you want to post debit and credit, that you have to specify here. So I'm just, for example, I'm just considering cash account. Okay. If you want, you can create one expenses account and you can try. So every month I want to post with cash account some 101 value. This is a recurring cash paid. Just I'll keep it as recurring for our identification. 50 is a credit entry. This is your debit entry 40. So 1001 will enter. We have that jail account as well. Press enter. 101 text. I'll make it like this. Now debit and credit has been entered, sir. Now what I'll do, document, sorry, click on post. When I click on post, 201 got select, I mean 201 got posted. What is 201 as per our number range? 201 is nothing but X1,
Yes.
which is nothing but recurring document. This is not actual posting, sir. 201 is nothing but recurring document. It is sample document. I can say reference document. By using this reference document, will every time, every month, will when you execute the recurring program system, what it will do? This 201 will get posted.
Okay.
Like this, if you have one for salaries, one for rent, one for insurance, you can 201, 202, 203, 204, 205. Like this, you can create n number of recurring documents. No need to post every month for all these expenses. Just execute the program. System will, when you execute the program, system will consider all the recurring documents. 201 to 2, of course, if you have 100 recurring documents also, every month when you try to run the program, recurring program, system will post all 100 documents, all 100 expenses. Okay, this is your template, this is your reference document. Now we'll try to execute the program, but before executing the program, you have an option over there. So accounting, financial accounting, general ledger. So here periodic document entry. This is what we had seen. We created one recurring document by using FBD1 transaction. Now close this one, go to the periodic processing, go to the recurring entries, execute and list. But before that, you can see under a document, you will see reference documents here, recurring document. You have change. If you want to change the recurring document 201, you can change some values or something else. If you want to change, you can change it. But not all the fields are changeable, but few fields are changed, like amount, profits, and assignment. Okay. Now this is a change, and this is your display, displaying your recurring document. It will show you all the recurring documents here. If you are clicking on this list, then system will show you all recurring documents list. 20, we have only one recurring document. D is nothing but recurring document. Okay, double click here. So if you click on document header, you will see what type of document it is. Recurring document, document status D. So D is a recurring document. You can see the different document types. A document status, D is recurring document. Earlier we had not seen V. We would have seen the Parker document as V updated in the header level. Okay. So not, if there is a blank, then it will show as normal document only. Close this one also. So this is a display document. Now we have one more option called now system is slow. Display changes. In case if you're changing something under ABD22, okay. For example, now we can track the changes, sir. For example, cash. I'll put it as some assignment to 123 here. Click on save. So I've changed the recurring document. So it will show you what are the changes has been made later stage. Okay, come back. Why it's taking a lot of time? Display changes. So what we have changed is, sir, we have changed the assignment field. So system gives very clearly assignment. Double click on the assignment field. It gives old, it was blank, but I have updated with 1, 2, 3. So basically it is tracking the changes. What are the changes that you have done later for the recurring documents? So it will show all your recurring documents list. The whatever the changes that you have done, it will show very clearly what changes you have done at a late, I mean at later stage, at later point of time. Now this is the delete. Delete option I'll tell you later, because now we need to execute the program once. Financial accounting, general ledger, periodic processing, recurring entries, continue. So here you can see again, this is also list of recurring documents. It will show recurring entry documents. Okay, this is a list. Similarly, we had seen display recurring document, right? So it will show you all the recurring documents list here. 201, right? Why it's not showing? It has to show, right? No list generated. This is something surprise for me. Recurring entry documents. Company code TA48 201 2025. It has to show list of recurring entry. It is mentioned as recurring entry documents only. Anyhow, you can ignore this message. You can come out from this transaction. You can use this one, sir. Document entry, sorry, document, reference documents, recurring document. You can use this BD3. You can see the list from here. Instead of using the other transaction, you can use this transaction where you can see the list of recurring documents. Ignore the other one, other transaction. So you can go to the execute. This is important. Execute option. F.14. Company code. Now, you may have n number of documents, right? One for stationary expenses, or one for insurance premium, or one for salaries, one for wages. So you might have created different recurring documents. So altogether, every month, if you want to run all those expenses, if you have some 10 expenses, so all 10 expenses, system will post the transactions accordingly. It will copy the recurring document and it will get posted. So I'm not giving anything because we have only one. So keep it as it is. If you want to post specific with one that particular recurring document, you can mention as 201. In our case, we don't have many, right? We have only one. So don't enter all the other details. Keep it as it is. Go to the next one. Now what I want to do, I want to settle it for 01 04 2025 to 34 30 04 2025. I want to post for first period. I want to post 2025. Okay, session name. Give one session name. Some TA 48 1. One is we are executing for the first time, right? I'm giving TA 48 1. User name is king and hold process session. Click the activate this one because once you execute the program, we can see the session. It will still remain in the job logs. Now, company code is TA48, fiscal is 2025. You have to, if you want to mention document number, you can mention here, or else it will execute for all the documents if you are keeping blank. Next one, I'm giving, I want to execute for the first period, okay, for recurring document for that particular document 201. Click on execute it. See, session TA481 was created. View details. If you click on view details, so basically system is generating one uh, kind of report, but it's not exactly report. We have to execute the program slash o sm35. Okay, sm35. System is creating one session sm35. Okay, this transaction code is called sm35. So you can see all batch input sessions will get generated here. So just now we created one session with the name king. Can select TA40 TA481 here. Select this session. Click on process display errors. Okay, click on process mode. Processing of batch input session completed. Continue. Now TA41 status showing as completed process. Double click here itself. Double click here. Go to the log created. See, document 6 has been posted successfully, sir. One transaction read and one transaction processed. So if you have multiple recurring documents, say for example, one for salaries, one for rent. If you have two, so system are posted 6th and 7th. Sir, did you get the concept, Sandeep sir?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now we executed for the, now open the sixth one, see, slash O FB03. I want to see sixth document, Press enter. This is the actual document. See 101, 101. Double click here. For time being, I've just, for our reference, I maintained here. See the same document is getting posted. So like this, you can post every month by executing this program. So sixth document, click on here. See, it is giving very clear details. This document got posted via using recurring entry 201. See, document number 6 is posted via recurring entry document 201. It is giving very clear picture by using FBD5 program. Okay. Now, this is executed for the first period. because we have settled it for the first period. Now you can settle it for the next period also. Use the same transaction. Instead of this date, I will put it another date for the May period. 01, 05, 20, 25 to 31. So like this, every year you have to, every month you have to execute the program. Click on execute. So this is already generated, right, sir? Change the number to, click on execute. So 2 has been created. Go to the SM35 transaction again. Come back, come back, refresh this transaction SM35. See, 82 has been generated with the status create new. Select this one, click on process mode, display errors. If you have any errors, it will show you. Click on process, session overview. See, TF48, the status for this session is showing as completed. Double click here. You can see the third log created on 6/12. Today's date. See, document number 7 has been posted. Read and processed. Now it is very clear. Now you can see the seventh document as well. Seventh. Is that clear, sir? Seventh period is nothing but May period, April and May, second period, financial period. Sir, any questions on the recurring?
For every document number,
Huh.
we need to press the no that process key you need to mention for manually.
Where, sir?
In TA48 1 2 we are giving
Ha,
right.
ha. Because yeah, so every session, right, sir? Every session we have to maintain one session name.
Okay.
If you are maintaining third, then system will generate with the third session.
Okay.
Okay. So we have to maintain that session name. If you
Okay.
don't maintain, what happens, sir? Okay, let me change to the keep it blank and give June period now. We'll see what happens. 06/2020. It will allow you, but it will not show you. It will show you standard name. It will not give the whatever the value we had given. Okay, 30th June, right? 30/06/2025. Now you can execute it. I'm not giving any name here, keeping blank. We'll see. I think it will give you the standard program name. System status. It's a stand. What is the standard program name for this transaction? It will show you here. So it will show you this SAP F120 program name. We'll see. Execute it. See, SAP F120. If you don't want this name, you can give this name also here. Some you can give some XYZ name here. So
Okay.
SAP F120, again go to the batch input, refresh your transaction. Refresh is not there here. Refresh. Okay, I don't see any refresh option there. SM35, double click here. See, it updated with SAP F120 as a session name. Again, the same thing. You already know now. Okay, it's a choice, sir. This one, it's up to you what name you want to give. It's always better to give some name, right? For which period you are executing it. So
Yeah. Yeah.
some give some. This is for the April period. This is for the May. This is for the June. We can give some description with month name also.
Mm.
April 2025, May 2025, June 2025. It will be more easy for the users.
Okay.
Okay. Now you'll come to know for which month you have posted, and you can see the session names as well clearly.
Okay.
So we posted another transaction as well. So we posted for the even eighth document also we posted. Like this, you can create as many as recurring documents and as many as documents that you want to post every month by using this program. Create posting documents for recurring documents. See, posting documents from recurring document. Recurring document is a reference document. You are posting document by using recurring document as a reference. Is that clear, sir?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now come back to the Excel sheet. So this one we had seen recurring document change also we had seen number ranges also we had created with X1 number range display we had seen changes. If you are doing some changes, it will show what are the changes you have done. Delete option we have not seen. List, this is something little strange for me. 15 was not working. Recurring execution program, we had executed the program. Session also we had seen, sir. The only thing important is delete option. So when you try to use F.56 delete option here, document, delete option. So we created one 201 is a recurring document, right? If you want to delete recurring document, company code is TA48 2025. I want to delete recurring document. If you're not mentioning, it will delete all the recurring documents. If you mention specific number, then it will delete only specific number. Click on execute. I'm in the test run mode. Okay, let us see first execute it. So the list does not contain any data. It is not showing any data here. So basically, you have to go to the FBD to change first. Click on change mode. Click on this is change recurring document. Our recurring document number is 201. Press enter. Here under go to go to tab, click on recurring entry data. Here you can see some parameters. Our document number is 201, recurring document, company code TA48, fiscal year 2025. We executed first run was on 1/4, right? Last run is on 31 2026. We have specified the parameters initially. We executed for April, May, June. The next one is July. Okay. Interval month, the frequency of executing the recurring program is 1 month, every 1 month. Run date every, you can specify that every 1 month. I mean, this date, sir. What do you say? 6th, 7th, 8th document we posted, right? This date. This date. Which date you want to specify? You can specify the date here. Okay. Now, why this is not showing here like this? Okay, cancel it. Go to the, click on recurring entry data again. So deletion indicator. You have this option here, deletion indicator. As of now, we executed 3 times. Okay, July is your 4th time. Deletion indicator. You have to, if you want to delete this 201, you have to activate this one. Click on save. Deletion indicator. Come back. Now go back to the deletion option F.56. Now company code is TA48, 201 is a recurring document, fiscal is 2025. Click on execute with the test mode first. Now you can see the recurring document here. Now if you want to delete this document, go back and remove this check test mode. I want to execute, I want to delete the recurring document in the production mode. Now you are confirming. Click on execute. System is asking you, deleting from the database, is it update run? Do you really want to delete? You have to confirm. Click on yes. So this program run is a production run. So this document has been deleted. Now you can't use that program to execute the recurring document, sir, because 201 is no more exist. So come back, try, try from here only. We'll see whether 201 is there or not. Execute it. 201 has been deleted. Or you can see FB D3 transaction, where you can see the list of recurring documents. Press enter. See, document 20 does not exist in the company code TF or has been archived. So basically this document has been deleted. So in case if user says there are certain recurring document that we want to delete, then we have to guide them how to delete the recurring document. Is that clear, sir? Recurring option?
Yes, clear.
This is not required, sir. Waste delete row. This F.15 is not required. It's the same as FBD3. Okay. So this is a concept of recurring, sir. So tomorrow what we'll do? We'll see validations and substitution, and we'll see some other scenarios as well. Many are there, sir.
Okay.
Sir, you have some time in the on the weekdays also?
As of now, no, sir.
Okay. Oh my God, many are there. Not seen this one. Okay, many scenarios are there, sir. Many scenarios are there. Employee scenarios is there. Special periods. Okay, what I'll do? I'll stop this recording.